Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to look at the best value stocks to buy in 2023. Value stocks are those that are believed to be trading at a discount to their intrinsic value. This can be due to a variety of reasons: a temporary downturn in the company's performance, or a lack of investor interest, or simply because the market is not properly valuing the company's future potential. Value investors believe that these stocks have the potential to significantly appreciate in value over time as the market catches up to their true worth. Value stocks are typically identified based on certain metrics, such as a price to earnings, a P to E ratios, or price to book, the P to B ratio, that suggests that the stock is undervalued compared to its peers. And guys, when assessing a company's P to E ratio, an investor looks at how much money it could cost to buy one share of the stock relative to how much the profit the company is making per share. A lower P to E ratio suggests that the stock is undervalued, and as a result, guys, investors could find them attractive if they believe that they can benefit from buying them at a bargain price. Investing in value stock offers many benefits to investors, including lower risk compared to other types of investments. So guys, growth or speculative stocks, greater diversification, and higher potential returns due to the fact that these types of investments are often trading at discounts relative to their intrinsic values. Additionally, guys, since many value stocks tend to be low volatile investments, they can provide stability for portfolios during growth downturns, which will still provide upside potential when the market recovers. Considering this, guys, we have got the 3 value stocks to watch out in the stock market for 2023. The first one is General Motors, which is the largest American manufacturer and one of the biggest car makers in the world. General Motors designs, manufactures, markets, and distributes cars, trucks, vans, and commercial vehicles. General Motors announced that it expects its electric vehicle portfolio to be profitable in North America by 2025. This comes as the company looks to scale up production capacity to more than 1 million units annually, generating significant greenhouse gas benefits and benefits from clean energy tax credits. GM plans to aggressively pursue EV leadership in the next 3 years, as EV adoption is expected to reach 20% of US industry sales in 2025. As of December 27, 2022, GM's company has a PE ratio of 5.658. Shares of GM stock have dropped 45.53% year to date. The next stock to keep an eye out for is AT&T, which is an American multinational conglomerate that primarily provides communication services and entertainment across the world. AT&T provides its customers with wireless, broadband, and business services, among other services. The company has announced that it has declared a quarterly dividend of $0.2775 per share on its common shares, as well as quarterly dividends on its Series A's and Series C's preferred stock. The Series A dividend is $312.5 per preferred share, and the Series C dividend is $296.875 per preferred share. The dividends will be payable to shareholders on the 1st of February in 2023, to stockholders of record on January 10, 2023. Aside from that, guys, as of December 27, 2023, AT&T has a PE ratio of 6.833. Shares of T stocks are down 3.8% so far in 2022, and we can clearly see that there is definitely a ability for it to rise in 2023. So guys, that is definitely one to watch out for. The third stock that you should definitely keep an eye out for and get is Pfizer. Now, Pfizer is a multinational pharmaceutical company. It produces medicines, vaccines, biological therapies, and consumer products. Pfizer Pfizer's primary focus is on discovery, development, and manufacturing of medicines throughout the world. The company's board of directors actually announced an increase in the quarterly cash dividends on its common stock to $0.41 for the first quarter of 2023. The dividend is payable on March the 3rd, 2023 to shareholders of a record on January 27, 2023. As a result, this will be the 337th consecutive quarterly dividend paid by the company. The increase in the dividend reflects the company's strong financial performance in 2022 and demonstrates its commitment to returning value to shareholders. December 27, 2022, Pfizer has a PE ratio of 9.831. As the end of the year comes, shares of Pfizer stock closed lower by 1.35% at $51.13. So guys, before you ever invest in any market, please make sure that you do your research, because the cornerstone for any successful business is the amount of time you spend in researching, reading, finding, and understanding what the stock market is doing, how it's functioning, and where it's going. And obviously, we live in a volatile world right now where there's so many factors that influence the actual price of the stock. And remember guys, I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than money than you're willing to lose. With that said, if you like the video, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you're investing in any of these three amazing stocks, do let us know. And if you feel that we've missed a stock, do mention that in the comment section below and share with us what your thoughts and what your remarks are. And share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp, on your Twitter, so more people can find out what are the best 3 stocks to invest in 2023. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.